I want to talk about the single biggest pricing mistake that's probably holding your business back right now. Charging by the hour. Yes, charging by the hour is the biggest mistake wedding DJs make. It might seem logical, but it's actually killing business in ways you might not realize. Here's what most DJs do. They structure their pricing around an hourly rate, let's say $150 per hour for a 5-hour reception, or maybe they do it by selling a basic package for 4 hours for $600, additional hours $150 each. They think this transparent pricing makes it easy for couples to understand what they're getting. But here's what's shocking. This approach instantly positions you as just another vendor to be price shopped against every other DJ in town. You become a commodity, and in a commodity market, the lowest price usually wins. This old path fails for 3 big reasons. First, it reduces your entire value to the time you spend at an event, completely ignoring everything else you bring to the table. Second, it creates a mindset where couples feel they need to minimize hours just to save money, which leads to rushed events and disappointed clients. Third, and this is the killer, it makes you blend in with every other DJ in the market, making it nearly impossible to command premium rates. I've developed what I call experience-based pricing, a framework that completely shifts how you present your value to couples and transforms you from hourly vendor to an experience creator. If you're tired of being shopped on price and want to start attracting premium clients who value what you do, then stick around. I'm going to break down this entire pricing system right after this quick intro. After performing at hundreds of events, I, DJ Mojo, am sharing the exact strategies that built my 6-figure wedding DJ business. If you've been wanting to book more weddings, charge what you're worth, and become the DJ that couples and wedding pros rave about, then stick around. It's time to master your craft, build your business, and create your legacy. Welcome to Wedding DJ Mastery. All right, so how does this experience-based pricing actually work? Instead of listing hourly rates, you create comprehensive packages focused on the complete wedding experience you deliver. You stop talking about time completely and start focusing on outcomes, emotions, and the memories you'll help create. Your packages are built around what couples actually care about. Not the number of hours, but the atmosphere and the moments you'll create. Think about what couples really want for the big day. They're not shopping for someone to play music for a specific number of hours. No, they're looking for someone who'll create an unforgettable atmosphere that guests will talk about for years. Now, why does this approach work so much better? Because when you shift to value-based pricing, you stand apart from every other DJ in your market instantly. This one change tells couples that you understand what matters most, the memories you'll help create, not just the time you'll spend there. By focusing on the complete wedding experience rather than an hourly rate, you transform from the DJ into the experience creator. And guess what happens? Couples start choosing you over cheaper competitors because you're offering something different. You're no longer in a price war with every other DJ in town. Now picture this, while other DJs are talking about their hourly rates and equipment specs, you're talking about the real things that count, which is the moments you'll create, the personalized journey you'll craft for the couple. Value-based pricing naturally attracts clients who appreciate quality and are willing to invest in it. The best part, these are exactly the kind of clients you want to work with regularly. The ones who value your expertise, trust your guidance, and aren't constantly trying to nickel and dime you. This simple shift solves the fundamental problem of blending in with every other DJ in your area. When everyone else is counting hours, you're creating moments that last a lifetime. Remember, it's not just about making more money, though that definitely happens. It's about building a reputation that books your calendar solid with dream clients who value what you do. Now, every wedding DJ can count hours. The question is, can you be the one who makes those hours count? So what do you think? Are you still charging by the hour, or have you moved to an experience-based approach? Drop a comment below and let me know how you structure your pricing right now. I read every comment and would love to hear your thoughts. In the meantime, check out the other videos that I have up here.